Hey, this is Cooling Your Jets here. I mean, cooling my jets. We're out here, Gilbert, Arizona Library. Thought we'd walk you out across the bridge. Huh?
Get the birds.
Yeah, I see it, Mother.
You
come along?
Yeah.
I just take a real quick video here of this place. Wow, they're so pretty, I thought they were fake. Not the fake stuff is pretty, but their feathers are so smooth they almost look like they were molded. Molded plastic. Hey guys.
You ask them to pose for a picture, I'm sure it's hard for them to stay still too.
Yeah, I was just going to take a little short video. I thought this was the bridge, but it's not, is it? Oh, there's the bridge over there. Got my thongs on. Can you hear them flopping? Mesquite tree, guys. This is pretty much, this kind of stuff is pretty much kind of natural desert when you're in water region areas where there's a lot of water. But other than that, no. You don't have mesquite trees or any of the other. You just got mainly shrub bush kind of in the Sonora Desert.
Jerry, you should come down here and go swimming.
You got high desert, low desert. A lot of people probably don't understand that, but yeah. Hopefully I'm not putting my finger in the way. I can't see the screen very well.
Jerry used to come over here and go swimming.
Yeah.
Go swimming.
That's the library hid back in amongst. It's on the main corner of what? Guadalupe and Greenfield, yeah. Anyway, hey everybody. Take another look at the bridge. I get my camera, I'm out of memory right now. I get my camera up and running with some film memory and get back home maybe the next week or two. I might come back out here and do some more videoing. So hey, thumbs up, subscribe and like. You guys have a nice day. Thanks.